This is LODARK new launched 9-inch Android car stereo. The package is very sturdy that can avoid damage during delivery. Let's open the box. There are the user manual, the microphone, a pack of relevant cables, and the product.
We can see that both ends of the product are wrapped with foam and packaged in waterproof bag.
There are multiple interfaces on the back, including USB, HDMI, AV input and output, etc., which is very convenient for expansion. Next, let's look at the cables. This one is the power cord. And this is the RCA cables. And this one is camera input. This is the GPS antenna. This is the 6-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the 4-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. The last one is the microphone. Now, let's look at how to install these cables.